which is the 90-year cycle. If you didn't know what that means, please write it down or remember it to Google it so you can be more informed on it for yourself. You can get more details. It was created by W.D. Gann? W.D. Gann? Am I going to get it right? W.D. Gann is the creator. Yes, I think Gann. That is how you say it. It predicts potential financial crisis, and it started in the 1929 Depression. So if you go 90 years from 1929, that leads you to 2019. If you go 90 years from 1932, so 1929 was the highest point and 1932 was the lowest point. So within those 4 years, the market went but it did go like it trickled up, trickled down, trickled up, trickled down, trickled up, trickled down, which I feel like it's very crucial to be staring at those 4 years right now, because history repeats itself, especially when it comes to the stock market in American society. That's one thing we've just never been able to understand or get. We just continue repeating the same cycles to the point where I'm sure it's making a lot of people money if they're just betting on these cycles. But again, these are only technical analysis. They get challenged when you have a fiscal stimulus of $5 trillion in a given year. So, they what they call kick the can down the road. And down the road they'll worry about it. But right now we're propping everything up. It's like these fingers just holding up the ground for everybody to walk. But over time, these fingers are going to get weak. The structure is going to get weak because it's not real. And the 90-year cycle is something that you should be looking at, because we are in the midst of the 90-year cycle. 2019, 2020, 21, and 22. These are 4 critical years that match up with the 90-year cycle. But also there's indicators that show flips. If it reaches higher than a certain point within the 90-year cycle, it's usually a flip, which means it's going to go up instead of down. But nonetheless, I just wanted to share that with you because I do see a correction ahead of us. I do. And we had a little correction this past week that I hope doesn't continue to go down, but I hope it opens your eyes and makes you realize how much you need to diversify yourself, because it's a very hard position we're in right now, where you might see inflation. Bitcoin is here. Gold is still here. Silver is still here. Stocks are at all-time highs. You don't know what to do. Should you keep your stocks? Should you invest in Bitcoin? Should you buy gold? Should you sell your stocks and hold the cash? It becomes then if you do that and inflation comes, now you're holding on this fiat money that's not worth as much as it was 6 months ago. It's a tough position, but hopefully this information that I'm sharing with you just opens your mind a little bit more, makes you pay attention to just a little bit more on the investment end so that you can make better decisions going forward and you don't get caught in this deep dive that is potentially ahead of us with all that is going on.
Follow me on Instagram at Shaddai.